Hello everyone. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will learn past perfect tense through an interesting story. Listen carefully and notice the sentences that use had plus past participle V3.
The lost wallet. One day, Rohan was going to school. When he reached the classroom, he realized that he had lost his wallet. He looked everywhere, but he could not find it. Before he came to school, he had visited a grocery store. He thought he might have dropped his wallet there. Rohan and his father went to the store. When they arrived, the shopkeeper smiled and said, "Don't worry, someone had found your wallet and had given it to me." Rohan was very happy. The shopkeeper told him that a kind man had picked up the wallet from the road. Luckily, nobody had taken the money from it. Rohan thanked the shopkeeper and the kind man. He learned an important lesson that day. He promised that he would be more careful in the future. Moral of the story: honesty and kindness are always rewarded.
Past perfect sentences from the story. First, he had lost his wallet. Second, he had visited a grocery store. Third, someone had found the wallet. Fourth, the man had given it to the shopkeeper. Fifth, nobody had taken the money from it. Sixth, the man had picked up the wallet from the road. Rule of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3 past participle plus object. For example, I had finished my homework. She had left before I arrived. They had completed the project.
Now, it's question time. Let's answer some questions based on the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Did Rohan find his wallet at school? Question number 2. Was the shopkeeper helpful? Question number 3. Was the money safe in the wallet? Question number 4. Did Rohan thank the shopkeeper? And question number 5. Was the kind man honest?
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English grammar stories. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.